F2D in the community, and once again here we are at King Edward's Grammar School for our 4th annual competition creative design workshop, and this time we've got 8 schools joining us. So follow us inside and let's see how it goes. F2D. Okay, morning guys, everyone okay? We're good to go now, to be fair. There was one other school, but they've cancelled last minute, unfortunately. But it means we can get started. So we've got some tables here, and I would just like each team to just come up and sit on any table that you want, please, if you don't mind. I know you've got 2 teams, haven't you? So you can just split yourself up. So everyone stand up, please, guys, and just find one of these tables and have a seat. Okay then, guys. So once again, good morning. Nice to have you guys here. I'm hoping you're going to enjoy the day with us. I'm pretty sure you will. We're going to have a lot of fun. We're going to get creative. We're going to play some games. We're going to learn a little bit about each other and a little bit about business as well. So before we do that, introduction. F2D in the community, and we're doing this workshop in conjunction with King Edward School, who have kindly let us use this space, okay? We're a fashion brand from Birmingham. The people here are wearing clothes that we made. I'm not going to go through them all, but here's a few. Miley Cyrus wearing one of our jerseys. That is Zendaya from the Spider-Man movies wearing one of our t-shirts. Dizzy Rascal, Dominic Cunningham is a gold medalist Great Britain gymnast, and they're all wearing stuff that we made, guys. And we show these pictures just to give an indication of our fashion world experience. So this is the course for today, guys. You're going to become creative designers. You're going to make and create your own hoodie with the prospect of getting it made, okay? But throughout the day, you are also going to learn about the impact of branding, marketing, design and manufacturing, business planning, and the 2 bottom bullet points are going to be very important. Have an increased self-confidence in the group environment and gain team building skills, because you're going to work in teams when you create your hoodie, choosing your name, choosing your color, any design features you're going to have. We want to see everybody taking part. However, you will have helpers from Ballon Wood who are going to sit with each team. They've done this workshop themselves. If you don't mind, guys, could you stand up, please, and just kind of give them a little model. So this is the hoodies that they created, guys. A few weeks ago, we went into their school and they made these themselves. So they are experienced with how this works, and then they can help you out as well. Is that all right, guys? This is your design brief. You're going to make your design, your hoodie, from what we've got here. This is the competition, by the way, but we're going to be looking for certain criteria for the teams that win. And it isn't just going to be who has the best design, okay? Because I guarantee you, every design is going to be nice, because they always are. But the winning team is going to be the team that works together the best. And the judges, by the way, won't be me, and it won't be Mark. It's going to be our Ballon Wood guys that are sitting down with you, along with our 2 lovely ladies at the back, Yolanda and Amy, who are also going to be the judges. So, during the day, you are going to create a brand name and a slogan with that. Hands up in the room, does anyone think they know what a slogan might be?
Just do it.
Just do it. And what brand is that?
Nike.
Well done. So you're going to create a brand name and a slogan to go with that. Then, we're all making hoodies today, okay? So it's going to be a hoodie that we're making. So you choose your color for your hoodie within your teams, okay? You're going to choose your font style, which means the style of writing. You will then coordinate your design, and that means, boys and girls, design features. Is it going to have a zip or not? Is it going to have pockets here or not? You can choose all of that sort of stuff. And where's your writing going to go? On the front, on the back, on the sleeves, on the hood? You can go anywhere you want it to go on that hood, so choose that. You will then finalize your design teams on this here, which is called a design map, which we will help you to do. And we're going to get it all nice and neat on this with your names here. Okay, and we'll get your sizes, but we'll go around and get your sizes with you. Ready to get started? Yeah. Okay, let's go then.
Don't forget, when you're around your table, if you get stuck, you got your helpers. You can actually help us for some advice. As we said, they've done it already. They've got the hoodies on, so they can help you. Has everybody thought of their colour? Yeah. Okay, then we're going to go on to step 4. So step 4 is going to be a bit hard now, so I'm going to give you some more time to decide. You have got to think of a name for your hoodie. So think of a brand name. Think of something that probably might mean something to your team.
Fearless, but that also means you're fear. Do you get it? Okay.
Hoodwitch, Trapstar, our name, Free to Dream. Yeah, so you know, any name can be good. Look at this one, Tranquil.
Like that, you'd be happy. You want it with a Z instead?
And there's loads of meanings behind the word believe as well.
Something family?
Has everybody thought of a name now? Yeah. So just think of what slogan you want to go with your name and write that down for step 5. Step 5.
Definitely. Think about it. That's the kind of way I was thinking of it as well. Believe in you, right? What could you think of as a slogan to tell somebody to believe in themselves? I like that. Be you, stay fearless.
So you guys have got, whatever the situation was, you've got your name, you've got your slogan, so job done.
Like every single place.
You got the back. Yeah, let's do half front and the back of the front. Straps like that over there.
Yeah, I think.
Guys, we are going on step 6 now. So far, you should more or less have a hoodie. But what we're gonna do, because I know you got your name and I know you got your slogan, so I want you to find a sheet that has got the fonts and choose one font, but choose one font that you think will go with the name and the colour of your hoodie.
Put your hand up if you want this one. This one? This one? This one?
This one? Only 2. Vote for this one.
Just decide one and then I'll talk about that.
Looks like there's the one there.
Me and Cooper like this one. Some more darker colour. What about if we do it more dark colour?
Think about the font and think about the name. So what font would more go with the word lightning? Don't forget, lightning is a powerful word. So what word would more go with lightning? That's what's done.
What if you could do this one?
So we are going on to step 7. And what step 7 is what colour do you want your writing? And if you want, you could put an outline around your text as well. So think about what colour you want your writing. And if you want an outline, what colour would the outline be?
Dark green around, like the outline. Yeah.
So light green be like stand out. You know what I mean? So you want 2 contrasting colours, so like yellow and red. Like
You don't mind.
Dale sky blue.
This could be.
Yeah. So does it conflict too much? Colour with the blue. You don't have to choose blue.
Just this one. Maybe kind of.
And what I want you to do now, if you're finished, is transfer your steps onto the template. So put where you want your writing, front, back, underarm, decide where you want it.
And it can go anywhere you want, on the front, on the back, on the hood, on the sleeve.
Where do you want it? Do you want it on here, on the sleeve? I think I want it on the hood.
It can be low, it can be high, it can be any way you want it.
You having it as big as it can be? You having it small?
With white strings, with white writing. Oh, I can dream it. It's wait, you're gonna have it up. You're gonna have it. I wouldn't have it. Because it's like 5 is with a Z.
Write down all the colours. So what colour is your hoodie? Dark blue. So just write dark blue for everything until you pull strings, which is navy blue. And then the colour of your writing, write it in here. And your outline, if you got outline, write it in there. And I'll bring some scissors and glue stick over in a minute. You could cut your font out and stick it there. So it's the final template. And I need you to describe your hoodie, write your school, and write your names as well.
Have we stuck it?
Who wants to speak at the Freed assemblies as much experienced teacher?
Do you want to strike black? And then we're not having a colour inside the hood, are we? We just need to get black.
If anyone needs smaller than this, we can do that if you want to. We can do extra small if needed.
Could they do ultimate vibes and then ultimate vibes rather than have the 2 words?
So it
Ultimate
doesn't have
vibes,
too
ultimate
much.
vibes.
We have to feel less to gain.
Yeah. Not that.
Put them on, or you don't have to put them on, you can just go like this and to decide what size you want. Okay, what size you want? Okay, do you want to try on the small?
So stand up, boys.
Thank you. It's time for us all to see what you've come up with And remember, this is also a part of seeing who the best team is. I'm gonna be honest with you. Me and Mark do this every single day, okay, in schools all over Birmingham. And we mainly do this with secondary schools, okay, year 8, 9, 10. That's our main year groups. And honestly, that was better than what they do, genuinely. Not just a little bit better, way better, okay.
Definitely it was.
Amazing. Again, it's making it really hard to try and pick who's the winner, but honestly, there was some really good presentations. So well done this morning, guys. One more clap.
Well done. Well done.
I'm going to follow on from where we were. Really good morning with you guys. Ultimately, again, we're still looking for teamwork, so carry on working the way that you were this morning. So, just to make you see how powerful branding is, we're going to play a little game of Guess the Logo. We play this game with every workshop we do, and normally there's about 10 kids in the room. And we normally put one team all the way over there and one team all the way over there. So ultimately, with this room being the way it is, you're gonna have to work really hard to whisper amongst your teams and not let the other teams hear your answers, because you're not gonna call them out. They're gonna appear on the screen, and you're going to write down which brand you think it is from their logo.
And year 10s, you can't help either.
You'll be surprised at how many logos these kids will know anyway. And you'll see the power of branding. Ready to start? Ready?
Ready?
Off we go. It's been kind today. It's been kind.
Answer time, guys. Can I get the year 10s on the table to mark the answers as we go through them together? Audi? Audi, yeah, if you got Audi, ticket. I was waiting for your hands up, but you all got it anyway. You all got it, Calvin Klein. Hands up. Beats.
Guys, this way for a sec, please, while you're counting the scores. Feeling confident?
Stand up, St. Matthews. You won. A round of applause for St. Matthews.
So well done for winning that. We do have a winner, ultimately, of the whole day. And like I said, before we say the winner, there's criteria as to why they've picked the winning team. It isn't just about which hoodie is the nicest, okay? It's about the whole collective of how you all work together. Yeah. Should we do a little drum roll?
The winner is Greenham.
You all worked together really well, okay? You stood out. The presentation was brilliant. Young lady, what's your name in the glasses again? Really well when you spoke. You articulated yourself really well. I didn't choose the winner, but I imagine that was some of the things that was probably part of why you chose Greenham. So well done. Your hoodie is getting made. It's going to look really good. Wear it proudly when it's made. Okay, guys. The rest of you, what do you think about that? How you feeling? How do you feel for the winners? Are you happy for them, though? Are you happy for them? Yeah. Give them a clap, please. Because I know, listen, we do find it hard, don't we, Amy? Don't we all? Don't we, guys? Do you find it hard just to make one hoodie for one team, especially when you've all worked as well as you have? So what we are going to do for you guys is, winners, you're going to get a hoodie, but you're going to get a matching t-shirt because you won, okay? But for the rest of you, we're going to make all of your hoodies, all right? How are we feeling now? Are we all feeling good? Is that a thumbs up? Is that a double thumbs up? Right in the air. Thank you so much for today. Did you enjoy it? Really good. Well done, guys. So before we go, can we all just come to the front and take a really nice group picture together? Everyone stand up, guys. Let's come to the front.
So that concludes another competition with 8 schools, another year, another winner. Well done, Greenholm. And until next year, we're out. F2D. Goodbye.